5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Flat left over crest, 80 down. Flat 2 right, 60. Flat 2 left in, 100. Flat 2 right narrows. And flat 1 left. And flat 2 left in, 80. Flat 1 right. Small crest. 2 left in over loose, 100. Care, 2 right over bump narrow. And 4 right. 2 right tightens to 6 at rock. 40 to 8 right.
That's it, mate.
And flat 2 left in. 80. 2 left, 2 right kink. Stop. Slow right on crest, sudden square left. And long 4 right push. And long flat 2 right continues over crest. Into 2 left in. And long 5 right continues. And flat 2 left in over crest junction, 100. 6 left, don't cut narrow. Long 4 right slippy. And 2 left in push, 40. Flat 1 left pass lay-by, 100. To 3 right. 1 left over crest, 60. Late short, 6 left, don't cut. And 4 right push, 40. 2 right over crest and 5 left. And crest. Flat 2 right opens to 1. And 1 left. And 4 right in. Danger crest, sudden square left. 2 left. And 5 left in loose, carry. 60. 4 right, 40, 6 right, opens to 2, 60, turn 8 left in, at end, cut, 60, late 6 left in, and long 6 right, opens to 2, push through, flat 2 right, flat 1 left over crest, 100, care, 4 left, in over crest, to 4 right, don't cut. 80. Caution, 2 right over crest, sudden square, left comes quick. And flat 2 right in. 80. 2 right continues over crest into 8 left. Repeat, 8 left. And 2 right to turn square right, sudden in early. 40 up. 4 left, flat 4 left in. And flat 2 right in over crest. 130. Flat 2 left in, be brave. 80. 1 left and short 6 right in. 60. Short 8 right. 60. Turn square left. 200 up mid, carry.